So people been asking, how can I record a video with a rear camera when I cannot see where I'm pointing? Well, SYNCO just solved your problem with this. It's a SYNCO Monitor X4. Cool part about this monitor is that it is MagSafe and it sits perfectly on the phone on the back and it's not gonna go nowhere. This magnet is really strong. The other cool feature is that you can do with just one press of this button right here, start recording. The quality of the screen is actually not that bad. You can see it, like if you be recording you can tell everything perfectly in a focus and you can see the colors, and like I said, the only downside is not a touch screen, so you cannot press it here, but like I said, you have this button right here on this side that you can press and it's just gonna record starting from here. The latency on this phone is really low. Like you can see that it is, like I'm looking at the screen right now, it's like barely anything. But again, like I said, maybe because on the side of the house I did it outside, it was a little bit better. So wherever I'm recording right here, you can see it there. So you can grab your phone, walk and do stuff, and the other one you can see it and watch on the screen everything that's going on. So that's an awesome feature. I don't know guys if you can see or not, but right here in the corner right there, it shows the battery, and that's really accurate and it is really long. So I don't know how long, I didn't test it exactly for how many minutes, but it's holding real good. So this buttons is cool, that right here with the one tap it starts recording. If you hold it for like 3 seconds and then you let it go, it's gonna just zoom in. So it's not gonna be like full screen, but it still does it a little bit crop. But I like to just keep it like that. Yes, this is kind of like a blind spot, but you still can see everything in here. And then you have other buttons. This one just to flip it like a mirror, and if you hold it, it's gonna rotate. This is gonna do your brightness and volume, and this is brightness and volume down. The only thing that is a little bit weird for me is that this thing, I feel that it's getting a little bit hot. Like you can tell, it's not even attached to the phone, but I guess because it's transmitting the video to here, it's getting hot. But I mean, it's not a big deal. Like I said, if you'll be outside it'll be fine, but in here I can feel it. Like this side is cold, this part of the screen, but this part of the screen and the back, it's a little bit hot. I assume that's where the battery is located, because MagSafe is right here and it's not charging, it's just attaching, so you can hold it on your phone and look at yourself. Just an on and off button and the charging port right there, and it's Type-C of course. So if you wanna buy this and have it for your phone, I'm gonna leave the link in the description and go ahead, click on it and check it out. This thing is not expensive and you're gonna enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.